Lena, I know that adjectives describe things like color or size, but I read that they can also show other things, like where something comes from. Can you explain that? Absolutely, Tom. Adjectives can do a lot more than just describe what something looks like. Let me give you a quick overview, all in one go. First, adjectives can show origin, where something or someone comes from. For example, an American writer. American tells us the writer is from America. Second, they can show place, where something is located. For example, an inland waterway. Inland means it's away from the sea, inside the land. Next, adjectives can show frequency, how often something happens, like a weekly newspaper. Weekly means it's published once a week. Then we have adjectives that show degree, how strong or complete something is. For example, a complete failure. Complete means total, not a little failure, but 100%. Another type is necessity, how important or necessary something is, like an essential safeguard. Essential means it's very important, something you must have. And finally, adjectives can show certainty, how sure we are about something. For example, the probable result. Probable means it will probably happen, but it's not 100% sure. And I read something about adjectives of quality and type, but I'm not sure what the difference is. Can you explain? We use adjectives of quality to answer the question, what like? They describe the physical or emotional quality of something. For example, what's the area like? Oh, it's very quiet. Quiet is the adjective of quality. It tells you what the area is like. We also have adjectives of type. These answer the question, what kind of? For example, what kind of area is it? Mainly residential. Residential is the adjective of type. It tells you what kind of area it is. In English, adjectives always have the same form. They don't change whether the noun is singular, plural, male, or female. An old man, an old woman, old people. See, the word old stays the same every time. But be careful. Some adjectives do change when we compare things. These are called the comparative and superlative forms. For example, my wife is older than I am. This is the oldest building in town. And here's one more thing to know. Sometimes a noun can also work as a modifier. For example, a summer holiday. Summer is a noun, but it modifies holiday. A gift shop. Gift tells us what kind of shop. Oh, so not all modifiers are adjectives? Exactly. Modifiers can be adjectives or nouns. Both can tell us more about another noun.